What are we doing on this one?
We're gonna fix this one.
That one there in the red?
Yep.
Is it bad?
Yep.
So what's in red?
Yep.
Got that much room to work with. Okay, what size hole is that?
Quarter. Quarter 20. 7/64. 17/64.
Ah, big difference, those two numbers.
Yeah.
17/64. That'd be like one size over 1/4 inch. Hit a pinch, you just use a 1/4 inch.
Yep.
Okay, how deep does that go in there? Yeah, it goes, it's supposed to go in there pretty deep.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh, it doesn't allow me to go that far.
I'm gonna go ahead and get that.
I gotta move this over here.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay. So I'm in the middle now?
Yep.
Perfect.
Voila! No more threads.
We have a problem here. There's no threads in that hole.
Oh, we gotta fix that.
Okay, let's fix that. How are we gonna fix that?
We're gonna go ahead and tap it now.
Tap it.
Tap it.
We're gonna put a 3/8 bolt in the hole?
No, we're gonna do a 17/64.
No, we're gonna do a
1/4 inch.
1/4 inch what?
1/4 inch 20.
Oh. What?
One of those things.
Helium coil. Not a recoil, but a helicoil. Now, which one are we gonna use? You gonna use that one or that one?
Big one.
The big ones we put away already.
That one.
The long one.
Long one.
Oh, okay. So that means we have to drill a hole extra deep and tap it extra deep in, right?
Yep.
Did we do that yet?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You're getting all the good stuff now. Have you seen me do this before?
Yeah, once.
Cool. Actually, it's twice already today. We're on number 3.
Yep.
Number 1 on this case. Look how far that hole went down there.
Pretty good.
There's plenty of room.
Yep. Got a nice long bolt so it doesn't come off.
That's right. Nice long tap to go in the hole. Lubricant.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it fits right there. Perfect. Lots of lube. Is that straight?
Looks straight to me.
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, my table's full. There's all junk over here. Hey, the drunk's back.
Hey, no, no, no.
One beer didn't do it.
Yeah. You gonna go do a beer run?
Not really. No drunks allowed in here. What's this tool?
That is the Helio Cool Coil Foil fart tool.
Helifoil.
Clips right into that.
I haven't got to it yet. I'm stuck on that titty. There.
There.
Now it's in the right spot. It's loaded. Like
Ready
Fred.
to go.
It's loaded like Fred.
Fred is so loaded right now.
Come on, cut that out. Of all the times you claim that I'm loaded up, I'm not.
You had one beer.
He's hammered. Look at him all red-faced.
That'll get you a drink around here.
That's just me.
You play, you get to pay around here. How do you know you're going to get chips in the face? How many are on the lens, the camera? A lot of them.
Did we get some on the lens? No, you're good.
We're good?
I had to clean the lens earlier today.
Uh-oh. So that's what all those fingerprints in the video are all about now.
Yep.
I usually clean at least once a year. Unless I forget.
Well, I just cleaned the UV filter on
UV filter.
it. Yeah. Did you even know you had a UV filter on this thing?
I thought I just had like a eyeglass over the end of it. Correct the vision.
It's a UV filter.
It looked like a monocle, that's why I bought it.
Makes you look smart.
That's right. I can hear Fred over there whacking the side of the case with a file. You hear that?
Yeah.
He's going after it.
Cleaning them up.
He didn't deburr it yet, though. You gonna deburr those 4 holes yet? It'd be good to go in about another 44 minutes.
Look at all that garbage.
Yep. I hear Mario back there blowing.
Yep.
Think we can get all the stuff out of the hole this time?
Hopefully.
Look at all that. Appears to have threads in there now.
Sweet. Now we're going to have even tighter threads.
Okay, so we got to push on the outside of the helical as we rotate. Once you get the first thread, it either goes in or it doesn't. See, it's not going. Not catching it. Now if you push down with the install tool, all you do is push the helical out. See how it's going sideways?
Yeah.
That's because you don't have that winder thing. So, we're going to cheat, because my fingers are starting to get sore. See the marks in there?
Yep.
So we're going to use a crescent wrench to push on the helicoil. Put tension on that. So,
Yeah, you heard the click go in.
well, I had to pull it when it jerked from here to there. That's when it grabbed it. Now it just goes in normal. Once it started, it goes good. So if it starts bad, it doesn't get better. You have to have it in there correctly the first shot. Squeaky, it's going to dry. And give it a little extra just to make sure it's off the edge. Find your little tang piece. See, right now it's flush with the edge there.
Yep.
So we need to go a little bit deeper, so we'll put it over to here.
Yep.
So we'll give it a quarter turn. Quarter turn. Like that speed action there.
Yeah.
Pretty good, wasn't it? Yeah. I'll look at it now and see if I like it or not. It appears to be in there pretty good.
Then we get the mini screwdriver, pop it off.
You mean this one here? It helped if I could actually see the bottom of this tang in there someplace. Now you have to hit it at the base of the tang, otherwise it just bends around.
Sounds like you got it.
So you have to push, not on this edge here, but over here on the base. So you got to be right on it right there. And that way you pop it and it breaks right here where the little cut is right there. That's what pops it. Get over there, you can see a little better. So it'll break right here. That's why you have like a little L piece that comes off. Like so if you push it over here, it just bends it and jams up and doesn't come out.
Yeah.
Then you go put your bolts in there, jams in there, screws up the end of the screw, and you pull the screw out. You yank the helical out with it because it's all screwed up now. That's how most people do them. Or they just leave the tang in there. Okay, which hole was it? I got confused. It's over there. So tangy should come out over here.
Yep, there it is.
Look at that. One tang. Don't leave them laying around. They are hard.
Yep.
No good inside motor. Very bad. Okay, let me blow the hole out again. Residue? You bring your case over? You bring your case over?
Am I bringing my case over?
Yeah, you gotta deburr your hole.
I just...
Just what?
So that case is good now.
No.
What else are we doing?
Gotta deburr the holes.
Oh.
What's your listening?
Yeah.
Play back the video. What did I say?
Deber.
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 Where's the JB weld?
That store?
You got it in here?
Underneath the light or the clock.
Shit. I see Fred filed the holes down,
Hmm.
the edges, but they're still there. No, they're not. Look at that.
Much better.
Does 3/8 bolt go in here? Grab a 3/8 reamer, see if the holes are clean.
It's not 3/8. What am I doing?
Grab a 3/8.
It just says 3/8. Does it say 3/8?
It's marked what it is. When you measure it. Anytime I'm deburring.
I never used this before.
Oh, it's fun.
Get a brake clean the case out, make sure it's all clean.
Yeah, I did.
That's why he's running to get it right now. Oh,
Sure you got that right?
no, I had too many RPM.
You sure that you said 3/8 for these holes here? That's not right.
Where's this motor? Well, you got a late motor, don't you?
Yeah.
It's 5/16, so
No
one
shit.
size over 5/16, so it'll be this one. Gold one is 5/16, see gold? That's 5/16, so it's one size over that.
You know,
It's tight right there, see, it's tight.
so 5/16 is gold.
Okay, gotta do the these ones.
You might
Okay.
hit this one. This one's got
So
to be
these
good.
threads are looking good. Do what?
Hit that one. Right
You hit. Oh, you hit that one.
I hit that one. I didn't hit this one up here though. Ooh,
Where's that drill?
I'm using the drill.
What's that drill?
Look at these ones.
The drill chuck you're using. Let's chuck that.
That sounds rough. Which one you want? The one you missed?
Oh, do this one too.
You did. I already did that one.
No, you didn't. You didn't do that one. You did.
Deburring.
We didn't do his cases.
You need to bring the other side over.
I don't care. I'm working on this side right
You
now.
didn't do that one.
Too late.
And then I had to clean them again.
Oh shit, fits. That doesn't fit.
Perfect. How many did we do yet?
Oh.
Here's the cases moving. That makes it hard to deburr. Pressure seems to be self-governing here. What?
Hey!
Fred's
Gentle,
mother's
man. My
the
virgin case is here.
so is his. First time he touched them. Honest.
Yep.
Okay, did you get all your holes this time?
Yep.
What'd you forget?
Nothing.
What about these ones over here are all screwed up? And these four here, we didn't do anything yet.
Oil pump.
Yes, they are. Okay, so we're gonna do about these.
For JB welding those shut, remember?
Okay, so you gotta get yours cleaned up too. So what's your job right now?
JB World.
JB, clean and JB weld.
Clean up case very well. And you got JV weld.
All right.
I got a JB weld station set up over here.